Launched as part of Decorquip's double roller blind fabric collection, Sandstorm provides users with more privacy and lighting options for their space through its 3 configurations. Sandstorm's unique band of extra wide panels can overlap, essentially closing, while the other regular sized panels remain aligned and open. With this privacy configuration, users have more control over the privacy, light and visibility provided by their windows, fully obscuring the lower portion in an instant. Standard chain or handled remote options are available. Sandstorm works brilliantly with smart home routines. Once you've been through a little bit of setup, you can use smart assistants to hop immediately between each of the configurations. Sandstorm is 100% polyester and comes in 4 colors: blue, grey, ivory or white, and is available at a 2.8 meter width. There are 3 variants of the fabric, but essentially the one that you'll need will be predetermined by the drop of your window. There is some overlap in which variant you can use for windows of different sizes, so you have some scope to decide which would be best for your client. But if you're in any doubt whatsoever, our team is on hand to help you pick the right one. So as you would have seen, Sandstorm is a truly unique and functional fabric, perfect for many situations. Hopefully this video will help you see how and when it can be applied to maximum effect. Thank you.